Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 5 minutes. This prevents shorts while you work. Next, remove visible trim screws, typically 6 to 8, using a Phillips and a 10 mm socket, and keep them in order. Once done, use a plastic trim tool to pry surrounding panels free, working from one corner so clips release evenly. You must be gentle to avoid small scratches or broken clips, and make sure to tuck screws and clips in a labeled container for reassembly. You now unbolt the instrument cluster and swap the bulbs. First, press the retaining tabs on each harness connector and unplug them. Label connectors if needed. Next, remove the usual 4 mounting screws and slide the cluster forward evenly until you can access the rear. Locate the bulb holder, grip and twist it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release, pull the bulb straight out and replace with the exact OEM type. Once replaced, test the bulb by briefly reconnecting the harness before final reassembly. You finish by reconnecting the harness and reinstalling the cluster. Reattach the cluster mounting screws, snap panels back into place, and tighten trim screws. Once done, reconnect the battery negative terminal and verify lighting immediately. Testing now prevents repeat disassembly. If a light still fails, make sure the bulb is seated fully, inspect connector pins for corrosion or bent pins, and check the relevant fuse. Finally, perform a short night drive to confirm illumination levels and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.